write and try to solve. Afterwards I will show you how to solve. Okay. So I'm just solving the answers also. Here multiplication table, I hope that you all know. So 3 into 4 means that will come, the answer will be 12, and 5 into 9 means 45. So here what you have to do, you have to memorize multiplication table. Okay, so if you are not very much fluent on it, okay, so you can just read all those things. Afterwards, add the following in columns. How we will just solve it? Question number 2 answer I am showing. Here you will write ones, tens and hundreds. Afterward you will write 2, 6, 5. After that you will write 6, 2. Okay, and addition. After that you will just draw the lines. Okay, so 7, 12, 1, and it is 327. After that B questions I'm solving, same way we will write 1, tens and hundreds. After that 4, 0, 5 and 192 plus 7, 9, 5. Like this you have to solve. Now expand the following. How you will do? You will do like that: 900 plus 20 plus 6. So here we can write 900s, 2 tens and 6 ones. Also we can write like that: 600 plus 50 plus 7. Okay, so here we can write 600s 5 tens and 7 ones. Like this way, we can just write all those things. Okay. Okay, I hope that most of the students has completed. Okay, let me see. 5 participants only raise the hand. Rest of the participants, what is their status? Okay, I want that everyone should raise the hand. Yes. Rest of the student only 7. What about the rest of the students? Yes, only 12 participants raised the hand. I'm just rubbing the board and I will give much more sums. Okay. Okay. So I'm just rubbing the board. So here write down question number 4. Write the number names of the following. Excuse me. This is digit, okay? Just complete it. Copy it down. After 5 minutes, I will say the answers also. Number is okay. This is okay. So I'm telling you the answers. This is 260. This is 295. greater than, equal to, this, less than, greater than. Greatest three-digit number is 999 and smallest is 100. Okay, up to this I hope so clear everything. Everyone please complete it. Only 13 participants raise the hand. I want that everyone should complete and everyone should raise the hand. Okay, only then I will go to, I will give more questions, otherwise I will just end this class after a while. Just try to complete it. Here children, I want to say few things, like this is greater than sign and this is less than sign, right? So here in the gap, always sit the big number. Okay, always the big number is sitting over here, and here. And in the arrow part, means we do the pointed part, always the small number is sitting. Always here you will see that small number is sitting, always. Okay. Shougato, is there any kind of problem you are facing? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am, problem.
Yes, ma'am, problem.
Where?
Number 4.
क्या मैम?
Any problem is there? Anything is there that you haven't understood?
Yes, problem.
Yes, problem, ma'am.
Where? কোথায়?
Number
Number 4, ma'am.
Number names means here you have to write that this is 216. This thing you have to write in words. Okay.
260.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
300.
Number names means what, how we are just telling the numbers, that things we have to write. Okay. Is there anyone who is having any kind of problem? Spandan, everything is okay? Okay. Aryan, is it okay? Aryan Ahmed.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Ifra Sanjida. Is it okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And who has completed? Okay, I'm just stopping the share. Who has completed? Please show your copy in front of your camera. Please show your copy in front of your camera. I'm just lowering all the hands because attendance pictures need to take. No need to raise the hand. No need to. Okay, let me take the attendance. Afterwards, you will raise the hand. Are no need to raise the hand. I'm telling. No need to raise the hand. I can't take the attendance. Try to understand.
मैम मैं अभी अनम्यूट कर
I have taken the attendance picture. Now you can, if you are having problems only, then you can just raise the hand.
पापा
Yes, Arindam, what is your problem?